Compliments of the season, everyone, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 9. Welcome back to the Vlogmas. Guys, I'm so sorry I've been missing in action, but this was Christmas Day and I was cooking a lot of food. You know, guys, like being the mama of the house these days. And all these things are, so guys, I had to cook. So I was grilling the chicken, I made some salad, I made some sweet jollof rice. Like, guys, this jollof rice was so nice, and my husband and I were praying for it not to get finished. I made some puff, I made some buns, we had wine, we had a lot of food on Christmas Day, but it was just really food that we liked and food that we really enjoyed, which is lots and lots of chickens and lots of Nigerian made food. So yes, guys, and guys, I did all of this. I'm so proud of me. I did all of this. I did all of that, and guys, Christmas Day was so chilled. There was no work for me and my husband. We stayed home, and then we went out to our friend's Christmas indoor party, and guys, we had Indian food. First of all, they served us this pasta, and we're thinking that this pasta was going to be the main food. But no, they were like, oh, this is just an appetizer. And guys, there were a lot of things to do. We ate, we had fun. I came back and I had to share with you guys all the stuff my husband got for me for Christmas. Oh, wow. Let's see what is inside here. Oh, wow. These guys are wrapping. You want to put Stranger Things? Oh, your samurai waiting.
Put the samurai stuff.
You have not finished the samurai.
One more episode.
So you have long episodes to go?
Just one.
Alright. Karen's fine jewelry. Wow.
Gather around, everyone. That's what's the biggest day of the year. It was the night before game day. All through the land. Fans tuned into the...
Wow, big. He's electric. Wow.
Lions and Vikings will fight.
Thank you.
All this
This girl was gonna get you one, isn't it?
Yeah, you did. Thank you. Honestly. Oh, well, thank you.
Sterling silver.
Wow. I'm going to be all eyes now. Guys. It's a sterling anklet. Silver. All the way from 925 from Italy. Yo.
It's from Italy.
Yeah, I saw it.
It's Italian.
Yeah. Guys, eyes on my neck, eyes on my ankles. Okay. The last. Oh, babe, thank you so much. Thank you, baby. I love this gift. Oh my God. You get the most thoughtful gift. Oh, please don't tell me my leg don't take it.
The war is already
Come down a bit.
But we're samurai, aren't we? So we fight. It went by so fast. Those bastards with their rifles. See? That is all it takes. Doesn't even feel like killing.
trying to wait.
The days of the sword are coming to an end. The world doesn't need swords anymore.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
That won't change who we truly are.
Thank you, baby. I love it.
We'll always be manslayers no matter what.
It's another one.
This one, baby. Not bad at all. Why don't you show me how you can look?
Thank you so much, baby. Oh, let's see. Ooh. Wow. Babe,
Is that enough to get you to fight?
these are like earrings. Silver. I love it. It's like that other one I said I liked that time. But you were like, it was not good for me. You know what? I'm going to wear it now. Let me see. Karens, thank you. You guys sell the best things. So babe, I can bait with it.
Silver, man.
Wow. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Oh, do it. Do it. If you leave me here alive, I'll keep following you to the ends of the earth.
Thank you, Bobo. I love my gifts. Thank you.
I will.
And here is part of my last gift from my darling husband. Like, my husband got me beautiful gifts, like jewelries, like, you know, stuffs that, you know, so beautiful. I'm going to have for such a very long time. And it's so sweet and so beautiful, because they are like not just random gifts. They are very thoughtful gifts, like gifts I'm going to have for almost, like, I don't want to say for life, but I really see myself using those gifts for a long time, and I'm so grateful for him. And you can just see the way my eyes lit up here. This is something I've always wanted, and he just kept telling me, don't worry. Like, I was like, babe, you actually got me this. It's a surprise and I don't want to share it yet. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and happy new year, everybody. Can't wait to share all the stuffs I have for you guys going into 2026. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.